Imagine starting your day feeling calm, focused, and energized. That's the power of morning yoga. When you rise with the sun, unrolling your mat to greet the day, you're setting the tone for a day filled with clarity and vitality. What's unique about morning yoga is its ability to harness the energy of the new day, transforming it into improved focus and strength. It's about waking up your body gently, increasing your flexibility, and jump-starting your blood flow. But it's also about stress management. Yoga in the morning allows you to set your intentions for the day, to approach your tasks with a calm mind. And the best part, it's an activity that's accessible to beginners. You don't need to be a yogi to start benefiting from this practice right now. So, ready to kickstart your day with a revitalizing yoga routine? Let's dive right in. Are you ready to experience the power of morning yoga? Before we start, it's important to understand a few basic principles of yoga. This ancient practice is more than just stretching and posing. It's about unifying the body, mind, and spirit through movement, breath, and meditation. Breathing is life force in yoga. It anchors you in the present moment, helps to guide your movements, and creates a sense of inner calm. Alignment is about positioning your body in a way that promotes balance, strength, and flexibility. It's crucial to ensure the pose is done correctly to avoid injury and gain the full benefits. Remember, yoga isn't about forcing into a pose, but rather finding a position that feels right for you. Mindfulness is the heart of yoga. It's about being fully present in each moment and listening to your body's needs. Yoga is not a competition. It's a personal journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to start 10-minute morning yoga routine. You ready to start our 10-minute morning yoga routine? Our first pose is the mountain pose. A perfect pose to begin our routine. You think it's just standing, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Start by tall, your feet hip width apart, grounding your weight evenly through your soles. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, palms facing forward. This is your opportunity to set your intention for the day. Feel your spine lengthening, your shoulders relaxing, and your breath flowing freely. The mountain pose, despite its simplicity, packs a punch. It's not just about standing, it's about grounding yourself, improving your posture, and cultivating a sense of balance and calmness. It sets the tone for your entire yoga practice, reminding you to stay present and aware. So, are you feeling more grounded, more present? I bet you are. Now that you've mastered the mountain pose, time to move on to our next pose. Are you ready to feel more grounded and present? Our next pose is the downward dog, a classic yoga pose with numerous benefits. Often too, as the ultimate stretch, downward dog is a pose that is both energizing and calming. To begin, place your hands and knees on the mat. Spread your fingers wide and press your palms into the mat. Tuck your toes under and lift your knees off the mat, sending your hips up and back. Aim to create an inverted V shape with your body. Now, don't worry if your heels don't touch the mat. It's not a necessity. What's important is that you're feeling a good stretch along your back and your legs. This pose is a fantastic upper body strengthener, and it also boosts circulation as your heart is above your head. Remember to breathe deeply, in and out, letting the tension in your body melt away with every exhale. Well done. Now, let's move on to our third pose. Are you ready to strengthen your upper body and boost circulation? Our third pose is the warrior eye, a powerful pose that energizes the entire body. To begin, stand tall, then step 1 foot back about 3 to 4 feet, turning it out slightly. Your front foot stays facing forward. Raise your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Now, bend your front knee to a right angle, ensuring it's directly over your ankle. Keep your back leg straight, pressing down through your back heel. Look up towards your hands, creating a long line from your back heel, up through your fingertips. Feel the strength in your legs, the power in your core. This pose not only builds physical strength, but it also improves focus and boosts your energy levels. It's like a strong cup of coffee, but without the jitters. Embrace the warrior within you, harnessing that energy for the rest of your day. Great job. Are you ready to embrace your inner warrior and energy? Now, let's transition to our fourth pose. Our fourth pose is the tree pose, a balancing pose that promotes focus and calmness. To start the tree pose, stand tall and straight, visualizing yourself as a tree rooted firmly into the ground. Distribute your weight evenly on your right foot and bend your left knee, placing the sole of your left foot high on your right inner thigh. Ensure your pelvis is in a neutral position, not tilting forward or backward. Now, raise your arms overhead, keeping them shoulder width apart with palms facing each other. Stay grounded and balanced, focusing on a single, unmoving point in front of you. As you breathe in and out, feel your body getting more relaxed and centered. This pose, while improving your balance, strengthens your legs, ankles, and core. It stretches the inner thighs, chest, and shoulders, promoting an overall sense of balance and tranquility. The tree pose also aids in mental clarity, helping you start your day with a focused and calm mind. Well done. Now, let's transition to our final pose. Are you ready to promote focus and calmness with the tree pose? Our final pose is the corpse pose, a relaxing pose that wraps up our routine. This, also known as Savasana in Sanskrit, is a chance for your body to soak in all the benefits of the previous poses. To get into corpse pose, lie flat on your back. Allow your arms and legs to fall open with your palms facing upward. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. As you lie in stillness, let your body completely relax. The corpse pose is more than just a rest period. It's a pose of total relaxation, promoting stress reduction and grounding the body and mind. It gives you the opportunity to focus inward, setting the stage for a centered, mindful day. This pose is a gentle reminder that rest is just important as movement in our daily lives. Embrace the tranquility and allow your body to absorb the energy and strength created during your practice. Congratulations, you've completed your 10-minute morning yoga routine. Are you ready to relax and absorb the benefits of the previous poses? Well done for completing your morning yoga routine. You've started your day on a positive note. As the sun rises, it's not just about the physical act of stretching and strengthening your muscles. It's about the mental clarity and peace that comes with it. It's about setting your intentions for the day, focusing on positivity, and letting go of any stress or negativity. Incorporating this routine into your daily life can have profound effects. Over time, you'll find that your posture improves, your muscles become stronger, and you become more flexible. But the benefits extend far beyond the physical. You'll find that you're more focused and alert throughout the day. You'll notice that you handle stress better, that you're more patient, and that you're more present in every moment. Practicing yoga in the morning sets the tone for the day. It's a gentle reminder to breathe, to take things slowly, and to be patient with yourself. It's a reminder that you are strong, capable, and resilient. The beauty of yoga is that it's a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. So don't worry if you're not perfect at every pose. The important thing is that you're showing up for yourself, that you're taking the time to care for your body and mind. Remember that every little bit counts. Every breath, every stretch, every moment of stillness adds up. Over time, you'll find that your morning yoga routine becomes a cherished part of your day. You'll look forward to it, and you'll start to see the positive effects ripple through all areas of your life. Remember, every morning is a chance to start fresh. So embrace the power of morning yoga and make every day count. Are you ready to embrace the power of morning yoga and make every day count? Namaste.